everyone. Now I will present about short paper, compare different methods for toxic comment classification. This research is published on the page machinelearningpractice.com. This is short research paper I create by myself. This research about five main sessions. First, I will introduce the problem. Next, the method and ensemble. Finally, we discuss about evaluation metric result, and I also bold some conclusion in future work. Toxic comment. Toxic mean very unpleasant and or unacceptable. This is a definition in Cambridge Dictionary. In chemistry, it means poisonous or relating to poisonous substance. Toxic comment can make user annoyed. Um, Today, there are many social networking like Facebook, Twitter. It has many billion users. They post a comment uh, on the post or status, and it make can attract the other people, and it's reduce reputation of the online platform. These components usually hire uh, developer to uh, develop algorithm detect and prevent this comment. Machine learning deep learning is a popular approach used today, but there are many algorithm, uh, machine learning algorithm. The developer needs to take many time to fine-tune the root type parameter or to find the good algorithm for this program. So I conduct this research to um, present how to choose the root learning in algorithm uh, to solve to help developer have a rip look. Yeah, to check the dataset. I use the dataset published by Sura AI. This is an open labeling platform. This dataset can be downloaded on GitHub. It has 1,000 comments were labeled in two classes, the toxic or not. This dataset is balancing. It has 500 toxic samples and 500 non-toxic samples. It's a collected on a very wide variety of popular social media platforms. This example of toxic comment in the red box. And must be access really capitalists who employ workers and offer nothing to real benefit to the world. On he does image name or himself on the page of other people, using dirty money from his family and might be while during her past. I don't care that he autistic. He thinks we should be curious which community AI chip. He is not a representation of our community. Don't celebrate him on this base. This very abstract Elon Musk and very unpleasant comment, which some from work like shit or meaning attack. Also, in the blue box is the not toxic comment. When my car cornice night or curl up next to be in the bed, I can literally feel my stress level roll down. Don't know what it was it ray. would probably be the same with adult. It's a normal sentence. And the challenge. Um, a classifier will encounter the challenge. First, the long run dependency. We know the meaning of a sentence. The sentence can be has 20 or the comment maybe has 100 word or maybe 10, maybe 20, 30. But this is a long run dependency when we cannot specify uh, correctly how many words can uh, contribute to the toxic meaning of the sentence. This is a long run dependency. It can be long, very many words. Multiple word phrase. It means between phrase in a paragraph, between phrase in document. Because the command can have many phrase and the phrase can and go affected together our vocabulary as synonym, slang words, special symbol and notation. This is a very common thing today because the social networking is command is man objective of the spoken language, and you can use the basic symbol to imply the intention. Also, the balance mistake uh, usually in the command. Occur in comments. In this result, I use five uh, algorithm which is usually used in machine learning. First, the linear regression support vector machine is the traditional machine learning algorithm. The nowadays is the once algorithm by probabilities theory is yeah, and the next is the transformer. Transformer is one popular deep learning architecture uh, which attention merchandise. Is this robots in the original paper of the transformer robots attention merchandise, and it's usually used many in today. Yeah. The next is ensemble, which kind a method to combine many uh, learning algorithm to make decision. We will take a brief look about the algorithm. First, linear regression. Each algorithm fits in dataset by linear equation between variables. This is simple classifier. I will say in the chart in the right. The dataset has two dimensions x and y. Um, the linear regression use one linear build the linear decision boundary by minimize square root error between two sample. The support portal machine also minimize structured information. For high dimensional dataset, support vector machine can be customized by you the kernel function. There are some kernel function, or you can define your own kernel function. The structured minimization topics attempt to the uh, limitation of the overfitting of existing situation in when learning. Nice by Nowadays, new concept of conditional capability to make prediction and to learn the distribution your dataset. If consider each dimension in the dataset as the deep independent variable, it is so it constrained because what's it's in the realistic in real life the sample not dependent, but it this algorithm was uh, used effectively. Yeah. Transformer, transformer in the right side is the transformer stack. The stack element is uh, stack. In this stack, you can search more on internet, Google, in each encoder has extension merchandise and input embedding. To gradient optimization use a common approach to optimize each such kind of model. Ensemble, ensemble use multiple Wheatland to make prediction. Wheatland usually is decision tree. Uh, what Bootstrap or Bayesian optimal classifier also a kind of ensemble. To show the which algorithm I use um, for metric to for metric to show the optimal algorithm. First is evaluation metric, Fmos, F1 score, reset record. Speak, I measure the prediction time and complexity. The complexity is how complexity for fine-tuning hyperparameter, and iterability is how user can easily understand and use. This is a performance result that I measure. Um, you can see the nine base and the high precision records or atmosphere. The traditional machine learning algorithm linear regression and support custom machine is a lower uh, score. In this case, transformer is lowest score because the limitation of the fine tuning is not too good because I I don't do not spend many time to fine tuning a transformer because other algorithm the training time is fast and I want to use the very similar to training time for transformer. Yeah, there are similar pattern. Is the best score which point 83 for small core and 82 for recall, 84 for recession. Conclusion. Nice bike can have the best performance with the symbol shifting. What's fun transformer well better result for Western English set in need time. Linear relationship ZVM is easy to understand simple system. Assembler is high performance, but it is a file used to high performance. Reference Thanks for Rick, a reference into research. Rick and Julian. Overview of Gem Evo in 2021 set touch on the identification of toxic invasion and fact claiming command and challenge toxic domain classification in this analysis. This research is by Van Aken. Thank you so much. In the future, I will work uh, very more to clarify some open point here because the conclusion if you work the proposed by our convenience and our convenience and we need to fine tune more and do more tests to prove the uh, conclusion here and hope you will see the next feature of this bot, next version of this bot. Thank you so much.